Okay, I'm super excited to share this with you. Today I'm heading to Scanlan Creek. I haven't been there since a long time, and I'm heading to feed wildlife, chickadees, and if I'm very lucky, a red squirrel or two. There are many reasons why I love Scanlan. Number one is proximity, it's very close to my house. Number two is that, especially the birds, the chickadees, are very used to humans here. So it's really not a challenge to get them to come and land in your hand to get some treats, which is something that if you haven't done, you really need to do at some point because it's a really nice experience. But I'm gonna walk towards my favorite spot, and hopefully I will be surrounded by some of these beautiful critters. Actually, I might pick a different spot today. Come here. Come here. It's okay. Hi. No reason to be scared. Come. trying to be really quiet so that I don't get them nervous. But chickadees are very okay with this. Hi, hi, hi. This is so cute. It's just perfect. Perfect. Alright, so no luck with the red squirrel today, but more than made up by the amount of chickadees that came to say hi. So this is it for this one. Oh, it's a beautiful cardinal. I don't think this camera can zoom there. Anyways, I got sidetracked. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you soon. Till the next time I come here to feed these wonderful animals, mostly birds, at Scanlan Creek Conservation Area. Ciao.